Hello everyone. If you want to 2x your internet speed, I will show you some steps. You can follow the same to increase the internet speed on your computer. So first open Task Manager. Now here into the Task Manager and all the tasks which are running in background, like here OBS Studio through which I am recording. So if any extra task is running in your computer, end task by clicking like this, end task. So after doing this, go to settings and then here into the Windows update, here pause the update for the 1 week. So here you can see I have paused the updates. Now after it, if it doesn't help, go to network and internet and then go to advanced network settings. So after here, click on this network reset, then click on reset now. So this will reset your all the network settings. So don't worry, any data will not be reached. This will only reset internet network settings. So this is how you can increase internet speed on your computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.